Okay, here, ready for her very first tub bath is Miss Gingerbread. There's the pink collar for identification. What do you think? Ooh, how is that? Not nice? Oh.
So now that noise has stopped.
Yeah, we had the water running earlier and she was a little bit nervous about that. It was loud. How's that, baby girl?
You got a little something on your head. You gotta get it off your head.
Little soap?
No, little something.
Oh.
Crusties.
Crusties? Well, that's why we're here, to decrust the babies.
She's done well. And what's that coming down there?
Show me the cute end.
Your cute end.
There we go. There you go, cutie pie. You're doing such a good job.
So apart from Frosty, so this is number 4, isn't it? In
Yeah.
queue. Frosty was, and he was only vocal when he first went in.
Yeah.
Frosty's always vocal.
Yes.
Yes, he tells lots of stories. But Ginger here, she is doing so well. Oh, getting a little bit squirmy.
I know.
So we work real hard to keep their ears out of the water because, boy, Labradors can get water trapped in their ears and then horrible things happen. We definitely don't want their ears getting water in them right now.
Yeah, a little wonder.
She's like, I'm out of here. Where are you going?
She's looking for the sink monster.
Oh.
You don't want to see the sink monster yet.
Okay, is she all rinsed? Let's get her
Let's go get
all
warm.
sweet and warm and dry. Okay. A special puppy wring out. Each paw and tail. It's amazing how much water you can squeeze out of each. Oh. Good girl.
Good job, Gingy.
Okay, Mr. HDL, you ready for the pupperito?
Yarp.
Okay.
Here we go. Look at the backdrop.
Who's that over there? That is
Dasher.
oh, it's Dasher.
Yeah.
Yeah, the latest boy to get his pedicure, and now he's fast asleep.
There we go. What's going on here, you?
Oh,
Yeah, good girl.
good job, Gingy. Good job.